I'm so excited to share this cool product that I got from my friend Amy. I didn't get it from her. I ordered it because here's the deal, people. If you like products, stop asking for them for free. Support cool people doing awesome things. So I got in here a priority mail shipment from Big B, Little B. Came in a few months ago. I opened it, but I haven't actually opened it. You can see a little opening right there. So I'm going to crack this thing open. The poly mailer is perfect for it. Doesn't need a ton of protection because the product that I ordered, it's right sized. It's the USPS does, for all their flaws, does a really great job, I think, at helping small businesses succeed with reducing their freight costs. So let's open this puppy up. All right. Let's see what I ordered here. I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh yeah, I have, check this out, reusable multi-purpose towels. So this thing comes, it's got this little indicator. It's a, gosh, why am I forgetting? It's like a hang tag. It's printed both sides, super easy to read, very minimal packaging, but check it out. This is reusable. If you know Amy, if you know about Big B, Little B, she is all about reusable, repurposed packaging. This is no different. And this towel, this pack of towels, rather, I think, maybe it's just one. Let's see. Oh, it's a pack. I ordered a pack of towels. This pack of towels is meant to replace paper towels to be reused over and over and over again. I'm super stoked. Oh, and check out, I got a little surprise here. I got some soap. Confectionery Sweet Soap Company in another reusable bag. So again, all of this is packaging. This is packaging. This is packaging. We don't always think about this stuff as packaging. I don't know what the materials are. However, they're useful for me, right? I'm not just going to toss that. This film obviously has to be on there in order to protect this soap. And the labels have to be on there to help me identify it, but it's a minimal amount of waste, right? These things will all be tossed. Oh gosh, there was a card in there. Sorry, Amy. I dropped it at my feet. But all that stuff will be wasted, but it's so minimal compared to what could have been wasted. And the experience, the unboxing experience for Big B, Little B is the reusability, right? So there's not a ton of things. It's not some grand opening experience, but it does stay true to what Amy has built, and it's on brand with Big B, Little B. So go check them out, bigblittleb.com. You can see it on the screen here behind me, bigblittleb.com. Support an awesome brand with a great owner. You can get her stuff on Amazon or directly from her website. Thanks.